Soakproof material holds wet foods without leaking. Durable construction supports dense foods without folding. Disposable design allows quick cleanup after use. Perfect for use at company gatherings, parties and more. Paper plate features a soak-proof construction to hold wet foods without leaking through to the table. Its durable material offers excellent rigidity to hold dense foods like steak, potatoes and more. Disposable design allows quick, easy cleanup after each use. Tableware is perfect for company gatherings, special events, parties and more. Top reviews from the United States. Paper for COVID. Well, one couldn't/shouldn't go shopping. I don't like people picking out things for me. Amazon to the rescue. I bought my customary size, maybe paid $1 more, but it was delivered on time and they were what we used since I was downstairs trying desperately not to get COVID from the relatives who had it upstairs. These paper plates are exactly the same as those purchased in store.